In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to track meeting agendas in Notion with a simple tutorial perfect for beginners. By the end of this guide, you'll have a clear understanding of how to efficiently organize and manage your meeting agendas using Notion. So let's dive right in. The first thing you'll want to do is create a database specifically for your agendas. Notion makes it incredibly easy to set up databases, which will serve as the central hub for all your meeting-related information. To start, open Notion and navigate to the section where you'd like to store this database. Once you're there, create a new database and give it a name that makes sense for you and your team. Something straightforward like Agendas. Next, let's add some essential properties to this database, which will help you keep your meetings organized and easily manageable. These properties act like headers and will include details such as the date of the meeting, the topic to be discussed, and the owner or person responsible for each meeting. Having these properties in place ensures that you and anyone else who might refer to this database will have all the necessary context at a quick glance. Now, when it comes to visualizing your information, Notion offers flexibility with views. You can choose to either use a table view or switch it up with a calendar view, depending on your preference and the nature of your meetings. The table view provides a structured format that resembles a traditional spreadsheet, which can be incredibly handy if you prefer seeing all details laid out clearly in front of you. On the other hand, the calendar view offers a visual approach that allows you to see meetings in a more chronological context, making it easier to schedule and manage your time. Lastly, one of the great features of Notion is its ability to link different pages and databases. This functionality is particularly useful for linking your meeting agendas to detailed meeting notes. To make this happen, within your agenda entry, you can create a link that connects directly to a page where the meeting notes are stored. This way, during or after a meeting, you can quickly jump to the notes without having to rummage through files or other sections. It creates a seamless workflow that enhances your productivity. And there you have it, a simple yet effective method to track your meeting agendas using Notion. By setting up a dedicated database, adding key properties, choosing the right view, and linking to detailed notes, you're on your way to mastering meeting management. Remember, the beauty of Notion lies in its flexibility. So don't hesitate to customize your setup to fit your specific needs. Thank you for watching, and I hope this tutorial has made your Notion experience a bit more organized and productive. See you in the next video.